little flower.
Let's learn about the different types of fish present in the ocean. Goldfish. The goldfish is a freshwater fish in the family Cyprinidae of order Cypriniformes. It is commonly kept as a pet in indoor aquariums, and is one of the most popular aquarium fish. Catfish. Catfish are a special kind of fish that live in freshwater, like rivers and lakes. They have long, whisker-like barbels around their mouths, which help them find yummy food in the water. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth and is a type of baleen whale. It inhabits oceans worldwide and is known for its impressive size and deep, resonant vocalizations. Betta fish. Betta fish, also known as Siamese fighting fish, bettas are popular aquarium fish due to their vibrant colors and unique behavior. Males are often kept separately to prevent aggression. Clownfish. Clownfish, recognizable by their bright orange color with white stripes, clownfish are found in coral reefs. They have a mutualistic relationship with sea anemones, where they provide protection in exchange for food. Angelfish. These tropical freshwater fish are known for their graceful appearance and distinctive shape. They come in various colors and patterns and are popular in aquariums. Blue tang. The blue tang's striking hues mirror the ocean's depth, a lively explorer of coral gardens, reminding us to venture beyond our comfort zones and discover the wonders of life. Tuna fish. Tuna is a type of saltwater fish that's widely consumed as seafood. It's known for its speed and is a migratory species found in oceans around the world. Shark. Sharks are diverse marine predators known for their sharp teeth and streamlined bodies. They play a crucial role in maintaining ocean ecosystems. Koi fish. Koi are ornamental varieties of common carp, prized for their vibrant colors and patterns. They are often found in decorative ponds and water gardens. Dolphins. Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals known for their playful behavior and communication abilities. They are found in oceans and are often associated with positive symbolism. Lionfish. Lionfish are venomous fish with striking appearance due to their spiky fins and colorful patterns. They are invasive species in some regions. Electric eel. Electric eels can generate electric shocks to navigate, find prey, and defend themselves. They are found in South American rivers and have specialized electric organs. Starfish. Starfish, also called sea stars, starfish have multiple arms radiating from a central body. They are found in various marine habitats and are known for their regenerative abilities. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are gelatinous marine creatures with tentacles armed with stinging cells. They are found in oceans worldwide and come in various shapes and size. Pufferfish. The pufferfish's ability to inflate itself symbolizes the strength found in vulnerability, demonstrating that sometimes our defenses can also be our sources of power. Neon tetra. Gleaming like stardust in freshwater realms, the neon tetra illuminates the aquarium with its electric hues, a tiny beacon of nature's artistic brilliance. Scadfish. Scadfish are a type of mackerel found in warm oceans. They are often caught for commercial and recreational fishing. Snapper fish. In the depths of the ocean, the snapper fish thrives as a symbol of adaptability, navigating currents with resilience and reminding us that life's challenges can lead to growth and strength. Asian arowana. Also known as the dragonfish, the Asian arowana is a popular aquarium fish believed to bring good luck in some Asian cultures. Pikefish. Pike are predatory freshwater fish known for their elongated bodies and sharp teeth. They are found in North America, Europe, and Asia.